This is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Bronco Sport Big Bend. Coming in this nice carbonized gray coloring, this vehicle is going to be powered by that lovely 1.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we got that backup camera. We do get a nice manual lift glass as well, which allows you to have easier access to your cargo, or you can leave it open for some extra air, totally up to you. Roof rails, some nice looking rims on this vehicle. We do get remote start on this vehicle as well, perfect for the cold winter months, blind spot detection, and move to the front, we do get that license plate bracket and that nice Bronco grille. Taking a look in the back here, we do get quite a bit of cargo space. You have lights, hooks, and doodads, 12-volt cargo cubby holes on either side. You got your light for your liftgate as well. You can collapse your last row if you need additional storage, with your normal storage underneath with a spare tire. Taking a look on the inside now, we can see this vehicle does see up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth, gray cloth interior, carpeted interior, plenty of door space in the door. We do get rear vents, 2 outlets for charging, and of course you can fold this down for cup holders and arm space. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks, got your liftgate lights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 54,887 kilometers. We got this nice vinyl wrap steering wheel, toggle-free screen, voice, phone, and media, volume mute, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get your trips, your My View, driving assist, audio, phone, information about the vehicle, all that fun. To my right, we got our gear select, parking brake, auto hold, go modes with cup holders, storage, and outlets. You, of course, do get your normal storage below with climate controls right here, heated front seats, engine start stop with storage here, storage below, infotainment system with auto stop auto start, hazards, your media controls, tune volume, audio, compass, and phone. Woo! For your audio, you do get your AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM, phone controls. Any apps you may download will show up right in here, and your settings such as Bluetooth, Ford Pass, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, display mode, and shifting to reverse, we do get that lovely backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is B8311, and you can head on into PG Ford or give us a call.